Yeah, someone call the villains, someone call the heroes. Tell them that I'm living like I'm both, call me P-Rose. Living by the G-code, never F it up. I always hit my free throws, you never stepping up, but it's a blessing in disguise. I'm looking at the game through a peephole, watching jaws getting chewed by some Nemos. I'm blowing weed smoke, living on a speedboat. Music in my engine, that's the only way the dream flows. So I'm gonna be the one that comes along and leaves you something to fuck with. Even when I'm dead, light a blunt, bitch, cause everything I make is so ahead, now it's timeless. No doubt, you gon' have to listen and rewind this. Sold out, shows full of hoes, keep me mindless. Mixing up my potion for success, I'm the scientist. Twisting up this potent for the stress, I'm depriving it. Really nothing serious, the theory is disguising it. Yeah. Yeah, I make a beat and take a shot and then I zone out. Looking at my feet taking off on their own route. Hip-hop is a grapevine, bunch of starving Marvins arguing about Earth when it's really about the Martians. With diamond on their chest, lions in the flesh, eyeing every prize in disguise of a test. I'ma pass it, wake up in the studio, the classics that I made last night after late night flights. I'm a shark chasing minnows, but I save my bite for the big fish. You small towns, I'm talking big shit. I'm trying to make 100 million when